Okay, so there's a break here. I'll take a quick picture and I'll post a picture just in case you can't see it. But should be a quick swap for the new back plate. 1/3 hole up. Of course, I didn't bring a measure where the rollers are. Off the plate, it is 2 and it's like 2 7/8. Too easy. Oh, that was right loose. It is nice that they just slide on and off. Make it quick. Quick line here, right? I think it's 7, is it? Ah, shit. Trusty adjustable. Hey. Can you grab me the Red Robbie?
Working orange already?
Coming in or hanging out?
I'll come in.
Oh, I do have that running, so just
I fucking eat rope trippers, so
yeah.
I'm all wrong.
What the hell happened?
Nothing. Like literally nothing. Put shims on it and was staring at it for like 3 hours.
He's convinced it's not the switch, though.
No, it wasn't even hitting. It wasn't even the I don't know, whatever you call like that bar, stationary bar, or I don't know. We'll call it a fucking stationary bar for now. Well, I guess it moves, so that doesn't make much sense. But whatever, that bar that comes up, like it's supposed to like slide back and come up to make that excessive wear switch or not.
Yeah.
It doesn't even go up there. Like it just goes to the back and sits on the back of the thing. Like it
Something's wrong.
Yeah, something's not right with it. But
Since he went back and shimmed it, it makes no sense. Because the car 2
does it, yeah. The car 2
close.
goes up, but it doesn't hit the excessive wear switch. Cause
Not yet, yeah.
Right. So yeah, maybe when we shimmed it, maybe it.
Well, of course, if it
before it
shims
was-
it, it's going to stay different. But
Yeah.
it, to me, in that picture, it looks like it's totally wrong.
What are you changing? Oh, it's all correct. Yeah.
Yeah.
No, yeah, that thing, yeah. I mean, like, it works.
Was he getting frustrated with Randy too?
They were going at it.
Were they? Did he must have called him after he left me.
Yeah, they were going at it. Randy's getting fucking fired up. Oh, he's getting mad.
Can we help you?
Right, tequila's
Little snacky poo?
yeah, like 8 of them.
Yeah? I'm not gonna have room for chicken wings, bro.
Oh yeah, shit.
Yeah, we'll have room for chicken wings.
Old lady and I got into her last night, but
Yeah? Can you just grab me a pair of pliers so I can fucking let that?
showing off the nippers.
Showing off the nipples, yeah.
Trying to pull her on
The nips? Yeah. I was just trying to think of chicken wings already. How did I type that?
When's salad gonna be?
Bill, it's not happening until 4. It'll just be a minute for the elevator. There's not a chance that
he wants us to look at the TSSA friggin' their inspection thing. The kids keep ripping it or something.
Oh, in the car?
Yeah, I was like just slamming it.
Is it not in a frame?
I don't know. I'm just slamming it.
Yeah, we can help him with that, I suppose, eh?
Well, we can't like print a new one off or nothing. So, we'll see what it looks like. Check these things out there, they're just hanging on there.
What's that? Yeah, quality.
Did you change the Wi-Fi access yet?
No, I just moved that. I don't have it with me. I don't know what we did with it after we were at that other school. I got all the boxes in there, but I don't have a key switch. You know how it is, though, right?
Yeah, you take all the important stuff out.
Loaded with beer.
Hmm?
Loaded with beer.
That's pretty nifty, eh?
King Street's rolling again.
Yeah? You got it done?
Yeah. The
Hockey
batteries
puck?
weren't there, though.
Alright, they're only $30 each. Did you use the hockey puck? What's on that?
Yeah. Sure did, bud.
There's some in there.
Pretty good chance that's not going to happen unless I'm there next time.
Hmm?
It does, like, I don't understand, like, it doesn't need to be that hard, but he keeps trying to tell me that it's not the wear switch, but...
Well, it's probably the switch, but it's not making the switch, right? Like,
Well, it's not now because he shitted it out already, right?
yeah, but was it shooting up all the way before? It must have been, eh?
Yeah, for sure. Like, something's changed. Why, the one on the left, car 1, when it drops, it's an inch away. It'll never hit that switch. Something's changed, like...
Yeah.
And you had to see, when you tested car 2, it's completely different now, right?
It goes up and hits
Yeah.
the paddle of the switch. Like, doesn't make it. I'm saying it's like the pads are worn, but yeah, no, something's definitely up with it.
You see that little cork pad there?
Yeah.
Get a screwdriver, tear that off. Know what I'm saying?
You know what I mean, Jelly Bean?
That's her.